Experts consider the inbound logistics process to be the ultimate frontier for organizations looking to cut transportation costs. This is actually quite a challenging process to streamline, and it takes much effort from both supply chain managers and warehouse operators. Improving inbound logistics at a high level entails you taking superior strategic actions. First, you need to develop partnerships with your suppliers. You need to determine your best course of action and collaborate with suppliers to put in place a contract that benefits both parties. As part of this approach, you need to create a routing guide to explain operational processes and engagement standards explicitly. Suppliers' rogue expenditures can also be reduced by using a routing guide. Second, development and deployment of vendor inbound compliance standard. A company's capacity to operate a streamlined, effective supply chain is hampered by a particular supplier's behavior. As a result, you will want to create a vendor inbound compliance standard, which must be agreed to by all the suppliers before they can operate with your organization. Thirdly, utilize a transport management system to calculate freight costs at dynamic rates. Due to a lack of knowledge of market pricing, businesses, especially SMBs, frequently accept the freight charges that their vendors charge. On the other hand, your organization can access fluctuating prices based on market circumstances if you use a transport management system. This guarantees that you receive the finest deal and you can keep your expenses at a minimum. Lastly, it's all about streamlining inbound freight deliveries. Your firm saves money by combining LTL shipments into full workflows. Of course, this method has its drawbacks, particularly when working alone. To gain the full benefits of truckload transportation, you need to focus on some of the logistics consideration, such as fuel costs, driver and truck availability, shipment weight, and start and end destination. This is Alphonse, the product manager of Visayad Labs, and that is the Logistics Insight for today. Bye.